To log into your back office, click the icon at the top right of your screen. Log in with your artist number and password you have been using for the past website. If you've forgotten your password, let us know and we'd be happy to reset it for you. Going forward, your artist will set their username, so it might not be their artist number. When you are logged in, you will know it is an artist account because you will see the Parties tab at the top. If you navigate to Shop, you will see Artist Pricing. When you hover over the icon again at the top right of the screen, you may see that it says Customer. That is because an artist is a type of customer. You should also see more info in this dropdown, such as downline, volumes, and commissions. Let's introduce you to our palette builder. First, I'll start by clicking the Palette Builder tab. The default palette size here is a square or 2 singles. If I click on a part of the palette, then the single I want to put it in, you can see the color is automatically added. I've now decided I'd rather have a quad. I simply click the bigger palette size and my color will stay where I originally put it. Now I can fill it like normal. You can also click and drag the single you'd like into its space. Now that my quad is filled, I've decided I'd like to add some powders, so I'm going to upgrade to a hack stack. If I click and drag a single over an existing single, it will replace the existing single. You can also see in the palette builder the different compact color options. You can see everything totaled and added up below the palette builder. I can add everything in my palette in one click. Now I will add some brushes to my cart. Notice how I don't have to navigate back to this page but can stay here as I add more items to my cart. I am now creating a new customer account. To create an account under a specific artist, be sure the customer has navigated to the appropriate replicated site. On this page, you get to pick the free compact you qualified for. Now I'm ready to check out. Your customer's information should be saved over from when they registered their new account. Simply enter their billing and credit card information. On this confirmation page, you can immediately see your order invoice to double check everything was entered correctly. This new functionality will be a simple and visual way for your customers to fill and purchase palettes and tools. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to build a palette and then share it. Navigate to the palette builder and fill it with the colors you are suggesting to your customer. You can drag and drop or click on a spot in the palette and then click on the color you'd like. Once the palette is filled, copy and paste the custom URL that is being generated. You can share this link and they will be navigated to a page with their compact already filled for them. No need to worry about choosing a compact for them. They will get to pick their favorite at checkout. To add your promotional compact, start by adding enough singles to qualify. You can use the Shop tab or the Palette Builder to qualify. Qualifications are the same as they were on the last site. 4 singles and you will receive a free quad or a free square. 8 and you will receive a hack stack. 10 gets you a mini double-decker, and 16 qualifies you for a double-decker. Once you have the colors you'd like added to your cart, you may see a pop-up. This is a reminder to people who have not qualified for a free compact. We did qualify, so we will now log in or register as a new customer. Now you get to pick whichever free compact style you'd like. You can see it was added to my cart and the price was set to 0. When you log into your back office, you will see a tab that says My Parties. This page will show you every party associated to you as an artist, past and present. To create a new party, click Create New. From here, you will fill out all the necessary information. Each of your customers and downlines should be included in the Hostess ID dropdown. You will also have the ability to select yourself as the hostess. Click Create and your party will be created. On this page, you will see your party link. Share this link with anyone who wants to participate in your party so your hostess can earn rewards. When you create your party, you will receive a custom link just for your partygoers. Copy this link using the Copy Link button and share away. They will shop through this link and place an order like normal, but this way, the hostess will earn her rewards. When you're ready to close a party, navigate to your party details and then click Close Party. You will now be navigated to a place to shop for your hostess rewards. You can see there is an option to either use your 50% off item or your earned store credit. Once you have selected what you'd like, be sure to change the shipping information to your hostess's shipping address. Check out like normal and you are done. Here you can see on the invoice that my 2 top items are 50% off and the other items had credit applied to them. In your back office, there is access to information to view your earned commissions in real time. Here you can see the Monthly tab. This column is your level bonus total. This one is your enroller bonus totals. Here is your artist in training bonus totals. Last but not least is your enhanced retail commission totals. If you need to see more details of each of these categories, click here on the period description. Here you can see coordinating tabs across the top for each of the headers. You will see every order that is applying to these categories here. Keep in mind 20% of your enhanced retail commission amount is paid out weekly. So what you will see here is the remaining amount needed to equal the enhanced retail commission rate. Right now this artist has earned 25% enhanced retail commission, so you can see that it says 5% for the rate. Now I will navigate to my weekly commissions. Because weekly commissions are only made up of 20% of all customer orders, there is only one category that will populate here, which is commission total. Clicking on a specific pay period will show you details of each order accruing towards that weekly payout. In your downline tab, you can not only see all the details of your downline, but also all of your customers. There are filters at the bottom you can use if you'd like to narrow down your list. Perhaps you only want to see your immediate customers. Type in your downline level as 1, and then type customer under the customer type. Hit enter and this will give you a full list of your customers. Clicking the CSV button at the top will export a file with even more details like the customer or artist's emails. To see downline details and progress for the current month, click on Downline after clicking on your icon at the top. Filter this page by artist so you can more easily see the information you're looking for. If you scroll to the right, you will see sales volume, active legs, and active leg rankings. To save this information, click CSV at the top of the report and you will be able to see in Excel file all of the information on this page.